Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. It's not a huge haul, but I did find some things that were new to me or I have seen other people haul that I wanted to go ahead and pick up for myself. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love Dollar Tree hauls, and if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the haul. You guys will be shocked. I literally only got one Christmas thing, so we'll start with that. The only new thing that I saw for Christmas at my Dollar Tree, this is two trips. Like, one was a super quick random trip at a crappy one, and then the other one I did a shop with me with my daughter. We both went to Dollar Tree together. I tried out a new Dollar Tree that I'd only been to one other time a while ago, so I'll let you guys see what I thought about that Dollar Tree. Hopefully that will be up tomorrow. If not, it'll be up very soon. So the only new Christmas thing that I saw was this bow. I don't remember seeing this one in previous years. I like it. I thought this would be cute on my porch or something like that. I don't really use any yellow in my Christmas decor, and obviously there is some yellow, so I don't know if this will be suited for everyone, but this would be really cute with a big present or anything like that. So I do think this is good because, you know, these bows are so expensive at other stores, so Dollar Tree is always the best place for any of these bows. Okay, the next things that I picked up, these I think are new, and they are glass like vases. This shape I feel like is a new shape. I don't know, let me know in the comments below if you guys have seen this shape like for a while, but I just think it's a new shape, and I really think it would be pretty if you attach like a candlestick to it and make it a little bit taller and put it on a dining table or something and fill it maybe with some little ornaments and, you know, little fairy lights or something for Christmas. I don't know, lots of different things you could do with this, but I was immediately drawn to it for the dining room, the dining table look, you know. But definitely I'm liking this. All the rest of the stuff in my bag is kind of like random stuff. So I picked up this scent booster. I said, what? I don't know, a video a little while ago that I was using the Gain scent boosters. I love the Gain scent boosters. However, I hate the price of the Gain scent boosters. And one of you guys left in the comments that these work just as well as the Gain, so I figured I would give them a try. They only had the citrus scent one, which I'm not like the biggest citrusy scent fan for. What? I'm not the biggest fan of a citrus scent for my laundry detergent. But I don't know, I didn't like smell it. Oh, well, I wonder, do they all not have a little cap thing? Or a little way? Oh, that actually smells it, but it is citrusy, but it smells nice. So we'll try this out, see how it works. As you guys know, if you've been following me, you know I'm trying to stock up on Christmas stuff before December even hits, so I'm like done with it and can fully embrace and live my December as a Hallmark movie with my family. And so I found something else to add to my husband's Christmas stocking, and it is these robot dress socks. My husband is obsessed with robots. He wants to be a robot, and he wants to have a replica robot made of me that if I'm never around, like, he can hang out with that robot. He's crazy. So I thought that he would get a kick out of these socks. But, you know, Dollar Tree has so many good socks, and especially like little novelty ones. These make great little stocking stuffers or gifts for like coworkers or Secret Santa, stuff like that. So I love Dollar Tree novelty socks. I forgot that I got this, but I shared, it's just like the chain looking thing at obviously Dollar Tree. I shared yesterday my Halloween decorate with me of my dining room and my family room. If you missed that, I will leave it linked down below and in a card. It is kind of a long video. It is a long video. It says 29 minutes, I think. However, from like 15 minutes on is kind of like bonus footage, so really it's not that long if you don't want to watch the end of it, but it's like cute bonus footage. So don't let the 29 minutes deter you. You'll be able to see all the things, how I decorate it in just like 15 minutes. Anyways, moving back to the chain, I have some chains on my dining table, and I wanted to get one more to put on this little table over here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, my nose itches. So yeah, that's a lot about the chain, but I like these. These are really cool to add into Halloween decor if you're still like sprucing up your house, getting ready for Halloween. I also picked up some more of these little tea lights. However, I was looking for the black glittery ones. Unfortunately, I could not find any of the black glittery ones at either Dollar Tree that I went to, so I just got the white for now. I know, I guess you could like DIY it, but that's a lot of work to do for these little things. So hopefully I'll stumble across some black glittery ones, but if not, it's fine. I was super happy that I found these though. They are the little lights like this. I saw them at one of my Dollar Trees a little while ago, but it was only like red and I don't know, a couple other colors, but I just wanted the clear white. So I was really excited when I found just the clear white. I also picked up some more candy corn for my little candy dish. I had no idea my husband liked candy corn, and my daughter likes candy corn, and unfortunately I have been munching on candy corn. I don't even like candy corn that much, but there's something like when I want something kind of chewy and sweet, I will grab a couple candy corns. You know, 'tis the time of year. Does that sound right? That's it. 'Tis the season for candy corn. The next thing I picked up are these rolling pins. I have seen a couple hauls where people talk about these rolling pins and that they're like a real wood rolling pin or real wood, and so these would be perfect for DIYs. I don't know what people have in mind for a DIY for these, but I grabbed 2 of them just in case they don't have them later and I see someone's DIY using them, and I'm gonna be like, oh, that was such a good idea. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have picked up a rolling pin and already have a DIY in mind for it. What are you doing with the rolling pins? I will just keep it in my little craft area until I figure out what I want to use it for. Another thing that I think is, I don't know if it's new or maybe they just have them out every year around the holidays, I don't know, but they are these taper candles, but they had it in gold and they had them in silver, and I also saw them in a rose gold. I didn't need the rose gold. I'm pretty sure you'll see it in my shop with me, the rose gold. It was beautiful, but I just don't have a need for rose gold ones. But if you do, go look for them because they were so pretty. I got a couple silver, a couple gold, and then I also got a couple of just like the plain white. I got them to go in that little candelabra thingy, is that what it's called? Back there. But right now I just have the Dollar Tree like battery operated ones in there because it's easier. I wanted to go ahead and grab these though because I thought they were pretty, and if I decide to use them or if I have like a dinner party, because you know, you're an adult, so you have dinner parties, even though we literally never have a dinner party. But I thought they'd be nice to keep on hand, just in case. Okay, I only have 2 more things. This first one I got is this superhero little notebook. This is not for me. Again, with the Christmas presents, I don't think my sister-in-law watches my channel. So I got this for her to be like a little Christmas present. I'm gonna do a little gift basket for her. She loves superheroes. She's a boy mom. She has 2 boys. So they're all superheroes all the time. I thought that she would think that this notebook was super cute, and I think she'll get some use out of it because she is going back to school to become a teacher, and you know, when you're in school, you always need like little notebooks and stuff. The last thing I picked up are these bookmark magnets. I don't think I've ever seen these before. I don't know. I mean, let me know in the comments below if you guys have seen these before. I thought that these were a cute idea. I'm not like in love with the designs on them and like the things that they say. They're all right. I mean, it's cute. A cute little gift to add in if you have a teacher that you're buying for, or just anyone that loves books. I got these for my daughter though. She is super into chapter books right now. She just loves to read. So I thought that she would like these little, what are they called? Bookmarks. And I'll be curious to see though if they actually work. I mean, I would think that they would work just fine, right? I don't know. Time will tell. Oh, wait. I had one more thing that I picked up. Got it. I already gave it to my daughter. That's why obviously it wasn't in my bag. But like I said, she's really been into reading, and she likes to read also at night as she's, you know, getting ready to settle down and go to sleep. So I got her this little book light. She's loving this. It's not like the best book light in the whole world. I mean, it does its job. It lights up, but it's not like the sturdiest thing. I may invest in like a nicer one for her, but I think if you need a little book light in your life, this one will do the job for only $1. Okay, so now that is everything that I picked up at Dollar Tree this go around. Like I said, I will post the shop with me very soon, hopefully tomorrow. If not, it'll be like the next day. The question for you guys this week is, what is your favorite fall or Halloween movie to watch? If you watch it every year, never fail, like you just look forward to watching it, let me know in the comments below. I have a feeling like Hocus Pocus is I really don't have a favorite fall or Halloween movie that I watch other than movies on the Hallmark Channel. I love the fall movies. There's one called like Pumpkin Pie something. I love it. It's just so cute. A lot of you guys know like I'm obsessed with Hallmark movies. I know that people think they're cheesy and all that stuff, but I love them and I'm okay with that. But I am curious to know what your favorite fall or Halloween movie is, because I want to watch some and like sit down with Lennon and like have a movie night, like watch some like Halloween movies or fall movies that are obviously like appropriate for a 7-year-old. And I need some ideas, so let me know down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe. And that's it. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.